enkoya. The person needs to change from it.
Okay.
So change no ama. The other person no.
Onto the hufo.
The best is to break up.
Onto the hufo.
My mre. My space, my grace. Because said the nipa no say be a fan say and son of one. And yet that corner de issue and son.
That's right.
And I want no more, no for say a normal the man. But I say, oh, you will be num.
Yeah.
Nipa also send son of and in your home. And to want to mean sorry that copy or say Mejai.
Yeah.
A bear gradual process. A be a week, the mono or book bear 5 thoughts.
Or better swab about 2.5.
Or better swab about A be a 3. Into a no did more 3 won't say one. Into a no underlining factor no and it say there has to be an effort.
Okay.
You have to see an effort of change with the person involved.
Okay.
Say effort no why ya nasa ade no is rather draining you and sinking you are. Me pato break up.
Because open you dey want to mean sister.
Girl ni jai no. Boy no forget no. We hene emwa na ebe drain you rather.
Yeah.
Because nipa na identify a problem no G2 say this is my weakness. That is when
you're willing to change.
Exactly. But when the person is not willing to make any effort, excuses here and there, at the end of the day, umo compliment nipa no. Now ukra no be drain you ama. What drain ukra be buma. Nipa to break up cry.
Na say
say our real dear, you can seek counseling. But who seek counseling no?
Somebody like any jingle. Somebody like I just see a woman. Somebody like somebody like I know it. 106.5.
Radin to two and namo and see on num to and shout excellent so now Radina coupon and fast setia and show of num a Radin mama sonia ding and slim what time for a Radina coupon to two and namo and see a Radin what jump him a Radina coupon to two tata found go to baby on one Radin and Safu Yehoah on one shot swadoko. Shall come to a bravo so. There's a bonny count, no how men to my die, or pin the toe, then come, or pidu beto nifa. They didn't count what it with your new one out of a shed no what going for a katia, a radian muti and torso, a radisha and torso, a radiabaso ball, and you would say, a radino cham, a radino catapo, a radino tipeja for, a radino tentina for, a radino register for pa, and here be our shre, a radin fantomo, Wasumi womu. Radima on Srewati, Radima wa dansidie, Radima ni pa hunu so no na aboa wa cheche ore. O Kristo Yesu dimo, ani abompae. Amen.
That's right. Hey, a freestyle Friday on Sompa Delight. Me and Shasa was starting as I know bako. Me ma good afternoon. Nampa chawum pom to say. And I said whether or not you fine Share sana wa braba be wate. Bibia be kotote. Me chia baby a wo bia. Me gidi se wumpo mu ye. So we jumem, so wo fie, so wo office. Baby biara wo. So wo jom. Oh, Sompa delight Ishra and I'm the bro. And then a freestyle Friday, and you know how we do it. World Cup season, yes, Anissa, yes, Anissa. See, I say, memoir, no one could do US or home. Yeah, monitor muka crack, and as a fire, no, say, fasting no on ye. And you made me catch any, so Umbrella vampire was so. Miss Habecow. Oh, Mamma, the screen of say, where are ye rich auntie levels?
Okay. Anyway.
Okay, I say, Yankophobia, or mark, I can see a force, no more show, more you know my hair, no more than I'm pony at the idea.
If I town,
where you sue me. Oh, did that, Sam? Oh, do for that, Sam. And then I'm show, Monko Facebook and go heavy white. Sompa 106.5Fm. Hey, Assemble.
I give me 7.
I do 7. You over you. And then freestyle Friday, what's it?
If you are baby and Nasu baby and Zaba.
Near where now pay the first. Answer no money way.
Who's a feel free?
What started feel free in time to do?
Remember, baby and shows, man, ferry. Why?
Matter be ferry crowd, be ferry. And see, Emmy said, Bibi will Bibi will man who in time, but I said, what's me?
Before I am Padua.
Saturday.
Someone won't train no moon.
Ah, I said the same. Omo want to no I said the same. Producer I said the same.
Interesting.
Sir. Okay, you over you. More cover. Abroso.
You ferry agenti.
Oh, ferry ade. Anyway, ti ya meti efu akwaba. Ah, ya me nsa ne tena ase a che nti me be start no mato aso. Sompa delight.
Sompa delight.
Yes, system. Oh, sister.
Some
warm me up.
Delight.
Yeti.
Sompa
Adesh.
delight. Jerry Pacho. Sa Newton idie erade.
Some catch us do we very careful because
you. You back.
There's another level.
How dear.
Some
Adesh. Delight the just said no. Yeah, they are for baby crow.
Some delight.
Yes, the winner ready.
Okay.
If one thing but your Masumo, Mope way and answer Mope first one.
Say Omobe was so Mama. Which one or more prefer?
Was a friend is a frequency. Frequency in would their way in a Mope. We are answer first one.
I said, we answer, and sign up the
former woman choose back. I'm feel free.
More be a ferry. Anyway, see a freestyle Friday, as you know. Now, Miss Nancy, I draw a ban on nature, say, Bibi go home. Also on time, must have time way into this way. Yeah, do her there.
Maybe, person may be, sir, until I do. I'm feeling free. Man and ferry. I don't know, say. I say when you freedom be, I say like when you freedom.
Brass and also tell
me presence, SK no the on can. Na me who dey me.
Me can be am on so sa why.
Oh onyaye
answer question no but on so sa.
You wish to say o presence e ma me pressure but o boy. Emfa.
Oh, e ma pressure.
E na me say emfa sa na onyaye anka ti.
Like who says a minia?
No, I am free. What is our flow fine?
Nipa de so ni nipa o wa. Say ha me kakra. Say o presence money pa. I feel free ni abi but no wana I say be down so me feel fine cry.
But your presence.
Who want on so ho?
Say na next time who dey
relax.
Wait me I feel free.
Relax. relax.
Anyway, my man akwaba emra freestyle Friday because the entire hono na what be the next say bibi wo ho sa enti mpacho and then no feel free men ferry why feel free men ferry
ono ya yon feel free men ferry eja bibi ama man ferry.
Anyway, yencheti for nemo akwaba biom emra Sompa delight so na say week ni mu no ye share bo say ye hu say weekend no especially Friday ni ye yetimi shejama wo mu yetimi ye throwback ene sanyo no. And one thing I notice in enkofo bebre wo ho a mostly weekends no makafi especially for someone omo nye ejuma weekend no Saturday Friday nyumre Saturday Sunday oye available wo fie obi nyaaya anka obi pi onyaaya anka onyaaya obekwa kwotena baabi onyaaya obekọ program bia se batato da is either the person on shedan interested place bia na say bia oni obi kura wone ne beko ana se onim say bia ni favorite bi kura kwakọ bo show bi ana program bi wo baabi ba onimu a anka obekọ no kwakọ relax na se wakwa feel ni spirit ne nso kakra enti ye say ni sisi no Fridays ne dru ho no mu a anya kra na ye be ma tips bia 2 programs be 3 programs be e ba kokra ali we interested that obetimi akọ na sa weekend no so wetimi akọ relax wo ho kakra enti no eno na ye decide say ye be sha ase enti
but who say hu hia pa
oh yeah
yes all work and no play
mixed jacket all boy
enti
and there are a lot of things happening. There are a lot of programs happening. I'm sure say going forward, say when you who say it's here for who woman, you better na ya pay either say hangouts places and not baby because I mean there are a lot of nice places that are very affordable. Ubetimi akọ unko boka bebre bia programs ni be cry free. Enti patrol eno ne dey bremo Fridays no alongside the ye usual on jamano is a bus yenye jama ye jama bus yenye ye be enti Wednesday is just taking just a few minutes be wo program ne so na ye di ama wo mu
that's wo ho in fact me tie for that's wo ho.
So I don't know if I should go ahead.
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
And see nyame adomo book launch bi bekoso ochina. Have I lost this thing? Okay. Ye nua ba ohema wo yeje.
Okay.
Enti obe book launch bi nyame adomo ochina. Sunday 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. Exhibition hall National Theatre.
Okay.
When a program nebekoso.
Oh, now no can on the phone. Yes. Okay.
I think that from last week in Abena Ruthy say who follow the socials now.
Okay.
Promo na
okay.
From station to station.
Okay.
But interviews we book launch now.
Okay.
And I think say yembo hima we je abaso. Eba media jume ya wayache experience bia wenye bi aside the no or ye entrepreneur enti eno so that side no so waye no for so many years and so etimi I establish enti no say ene nyame adom na se wetimi atrotro ni experiences ne ne bi egubu kuma so unya ba ko na wokan a I'm sure say ebe make a lot of good to you. Now we know what title no life beyond opinions.
That's right.
Into life beyond opinions no I'm sure say one kasa wo kan no kran when a little overview of the opesa share book no emu. Into basically if on one kasa ni true self if self awareness
okay
I think so ne life journey no you may be of firm especially or think of be bullying people bullied her at a point near there but
yes
now
for the personality crash
exactly
to me
nti enesa wetimi atro bibi kakra egu enkrata so a I'm sure say ebetimi afa nema bebre e de afri mu nti live beyond opinions no nyame yadom a Sunday 3:30 p.m. 3:30 nti enyumewe fra so yaba na wenye fufuo bi edi no o relax we are Sunday 7 June nti uba ya na chese udi weni atwe mu ewo exhibition hall National Theatre na wako na nso wako enjoy jumedie ni bi na bibi atimi aye kama ewo honum so Saran so na Sunday na there's a program from Hetty Ebeye program what title no overflow experience Sunday June 7 5 p.m. and no podie ebeko so outside Ghana but omo Hetty Koji omo beye sa overflow experience no but they say digital ntino obi wa brochu obi babia wo bia obetimi ahye enti social media os ni nyina program no wo mo ebe fan live gospel program ye ma meda na Hamilton ebe wasie na Stella Abasiu ono so ebe wasie obene wa Robert Bannerman ene nkofo bebre ebe ko program no ase enti me pa cho mumbuki mo time no na chese time no ye benya no at 5 p.m. Enti ubetimi a check Hetty Koji ni social media page na omo aye eyibi so I'm sure so ubetimi scan it to get the program live on
and they say ye dey to Facebook e dey ukọ ha
enti ukọ a me pa cho wo dey type Hetty Koji on Facebook, Instagram, social media ni nyina obehu program ne wo ho na wa hwe baby a obehwe ne free se Facebook o se he phone now so wetimi enya emu emfaso enti that's it with
Hetty Koji
a program no but then we enye weekend we but this month enti maybe ahead no ubetimi asset o calendar no na bibi etimi akonkan praise reloaded ye nyina ye aware we the river that's the theme for sa afiwe 28th June and because we Accra Sports Stadium enti Monshan and Sompa my praise reloaded baso and this time around no ye de Sami Sola Agbebi every Nigeria eba and I de Prosper Ochimana so eba I mean mo amunim Prosper no eku me hit singer onema late Osinachi and ye eku me no
Sami Sola so ye power
yes entino mon set mo calendar right Eugene Zuta it's been a long time I've witnessed his ministration enti wo a wa fe no to say na ma fe no pacho 28th June ewo Accra Sports Stadium na ye bebie gate no 1 p.m. event no be start at 3 p.m. enti mon hye nso from my Joe Metal ejina so den na Daughters of Glorious Jesus woman so ejina mu enti we no kra de okojometalmusic.com a obetimi register say ye nyina nim say program no jometal ne program enti okojometalmusic.com a mpacho ko register go we na make because we ye registration ahead enti na me boso enne no say de be ya date no emben enti register nenya baby a obetena
and it is the register obenya seat number or
exactly
something
enti uko www.jometalmusic.com na wakwa register so the be ya yempe overcrowding ne na me call Jometal program menya baby antina na coordination ne nye na we hear these things a lot
enti no mo di enhihye nyina to me who say Bethel revival cra beba so mudi won so be Bethel revival cra now having you mentioned Eugene Zuta any daughters Maminka or Mandebi. So Eugene this month, no early next month, will be launching a book. Okay. Enti already no see obeba now near bedding common to omo afini ninda no I be koso I push no per data or be available like enti no we'll have him in the studio. And then Daughters of Glorious Jesus. So I don't know if you will go in there. Omo release and then no.
Me sure.
Okay, then mama fan to hop.
Fatu.
Wabo mudini enti enne Daughters are releasing omo old song be a omaya remix Bwemeni.
Yes.
Enti uko YouTube ube unsabeka na Bwemeni old one no omo releasing no 1992.
Hey.
Ane omo releasing no 5th June 1992. And 5th June 2026, Omaya remix. Omone one Sandra Buachi or something.
Okay.
Until once you go online, over who remix na solid.
Oh, metie kakra. I think so. Omo posti we no omo Facebook and so no. Metie kakra very beautiful.
Solid. Until let's just go and enjoy it. Until Daughters also release your movie in there. Aye. And then, do you have something on Mami Justine? Did you get the Mami Justine? Okay, so Mami Justine 2 is premiering now. So that too. And also, multiple things to enjoy this weekend.
Into weekend. Echina 2 programs back or Ghana back or outside, but you can still have access to it. One at 3:30 p.m. and the other one at 5 p.m. 3:30 near him away jedi and 5 p.m. near Hetikoji program no. Na yenu abema Eugene Zutan so ebe launchy book first
week in July.
No so mon share on some many draw yebe shena yenino edi enkomo Daughters. Enso de nam kwan so ene
we release ene
mpacho mon hye ni nyina nso na mo mark 28th June so for praise reloaded.
Say no there was almost scanning QR code no na omo the register no.
Yes.
It's important. A lot of things are being done digitally. You can't say digitally. I got it. And to know, let's make sure say comply. Say bus need to now money to Java over catchery. Yes, say you register. No one code no scan QR code. No one register comma. And you do what obiane won prebibia. Or him at Sunday. Sunday. Okay.
And patronation and so emfa so at least for this weekend here when you cry ubenya 2 programs bia ubetimi I enjoy either from home or ewo baby program no air cost and I'm sure some kofutie ewo outside ain't no say uben amanonia also ubetimi a check it a healthy program no na why enjoy be
that's right
that's it with next week you better more about subsequent ones no so
okay aba my enjoy your Daughters remix nekakra
okay sure
we na me chere wo say fi aba na edi o we and I bet you say fi aba na edi because me hu so ye pa between this one and our original one now omu ye in 92 no and no ye cool but we know just say ye de nioma bebre ahihye mu ma ye contemporary thank you I say introduce it
Daughters my encounter ministration several times
okay
me pay nyum pan programs pa na me ka dentia their ministry is not dead.
Oh, okay.
It's still alive. And I want to talk about 3 things.
Okay.
And you me on my boy. Number 1. Osha odowo mu miensa ni ntempa.
Oh
because
yeah.
Because if you almost start fie, almost so almost start fie ne omedu omu mpenyi fie so. What you say? Omedu omu mpenyi fie so a, omugu so a, omotonyum. And it will only be in Crawford or Dormuntem in Tia Muntem.
Sa,
it's a ministry. And in fact, the only ministry it will never end even when Jesus comes, it's singing ministry. Because as I see here to you, and I saw also, and you told. So it's a ministry that will never end. And to anybody who find yourself in a Yamiama or Dumacha, Mimi Tonyum. Yeah, the end. I did yes, but what about find yourself so you'll be out to you? And yes, sir. So I don't want me perform me. Minister.
Me minister, yeah.
It's not performance, it's ministry. Ministry is a whole thing.
Yeah.
It's one woman in the sir. Mon number be me body, but your organ to for both secular and gospel to for about together as a
group. Okay.
It is hard there. Now, also who say, you'll be on bomb.
Oh, yeah, true.
You invite them by a church sometime ago near anniversary. When they came, now, like I feel some started program, and no, Mrs. Saloon cabin, Miensa. Take car in our summons. And ACBC. So you could see that.
So
and you could see that. So no wonder if they should mount the platform, you could see that on two old songs, but you could see the spirit in the song.
Oh yeah,
I met them in National Theatre. And also another splendid ministration.
I know, right?
What you say? And to young shot or no one them.
Yeah.
Maybe or do piano. Kind call. I feel him number Empire Omobo. And yes, I'm on needing to make cotton.
Debbie. Hey, now give to the dear non quan out the Nantia. Send you over Tiasa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They almost bomb pray together.
Yeah, they do.
The third one I want to commend them for. Basically residing on a new way.
Okay.
Is that Emre Dania?
Now so what Dani be
in everyday life if you are not strategic. You be jawe chire.
Oh yeah.
You be jawe chire.
True.
If you are not strategic, you be jawe. So almost share a beer and you tour koya. Because to old na any competition there but ultimately you met you that's the ultimate new encore.
That's right.
Any phobia like Dana Hamilton. Or two tree not the profile for no paying. Enti on Nema Miensa winner, I'll commend daughters of glory.
I.
Me bon by say. Ebiamu Wamba.
They do. Yes.
I'm just praying that.
Be taking after them.
Transference of oil.
On their children,
so that they just hold the foundation their parents have built.
One beautiful thing. Oh yes, one beautiful thing with them. So they say, mentanko for. They said they are almost Sandra Abba. Used to say, "Omo for." I said, "Omo biological children and take after them." Still, you know that you will get people who will take after them.
So mentees no musuya die yie. Me kan yie a musuya die yie.
Ejuma
almost join the so ebe ya pa say daughters ebe nyi na fe awon den nyi nti no omo China people are holding the baton na omo de be call na fe there and menti me was and menti it will be shameful for those people. So the menti should their prayer life they should increase it. They shouldn't pray like them. They should pray more than them. Because dispensation difference room.
That's right.
Dispensation and it is still their dispensation until they go off the scene. It is still their dispensation. Their challenges will be different. And as I said, they need to put themselves together. They need to groom themselves very well. Daughters. A good father be no lower than him, and I say the same as him.
Yeah.
A good father should seek that bro.
That's right. That's right.
What you say? So if daughters groom you greedy people. They know say they can't be there forever.
All the time.
They should hold it. In probably one more you train you almost saw they are not able to they look at the beauty side of it. Opentem ako ebi na Gihazi okakwem. But Elisha learnt well. And he received a mantle. People want to use their leaders as ladders. So they offer keke. Yeah. But on person will pay the price you paid. Na obetu obenya humbrasi esuade na de nyame person. This is my piece of advice to the mentees. Omusua yi sa omusua de yi. That's
in order. Answer.
Hey, say something nyina no waka no. Komo nyina no waka no, and if there's something daughters ne other microphobia must say consistent more than 30 years in the cake adeba ko me hu was ankofo no ho no they keep their lives private. Omo keep your life ministry no mo ye.
That's right.
So what's everything about them no ejuma na e de asho monsa no ministry. They have oma ti omo ho free controversies ho.
Am papa na waka no.
Say yes nkomo bi aba. Enkomo bi e beba industry no bo se sankofo ni kan bia na nkomo bi e besi wo Ghana no mo de oma no ma twe camera there be. You don't see that because woman who say omo wo base bi.
That's right.
It might not even omo wo following bi. Na obi anso ne said the ote. Enti one sha I hate MPP ni NDC. Obi a wo following. Enti one sha wo ko kan bibi. Na wan ko kan yi na obi a o follow wo feel say mami we die papa we die na me feel say enu nti na me ne lifestyle ye me fe ubo say wako dirty wo ho.
That's right.
What dente wo ho kakra na nipa kro no fine you might say Christ is the standard of course but nyankopon so amayen fathers and mothers.
That's right.
Ye sua wo mo enti no say wo no wo nkrofo bi di wachi wo kind of followership bi ni ade bia wo beye no enye wo nko ho na esesa wo dwen wo esesa wo dwen wo ene wo mu di wachi no.
That's right. That's right.
Because one shall best scatter flock best scatter wo best because one shall best scatter flock best scatter wo best scatter flock no na ensem and you will be accountable for it.
Exactly.
Enti no I think say omo ye kan omo asa nkofo no omo controversies dey won hu omo to say daughters no mo Tego sisters no mo Esther Smith no mo ne you bibisa and obi be ka say na social media na enye bone na them yes ye wo mu ni ye wo mu ni are there not people are almost starting music that time enne no oma adane omo ho kakra they are still relevant omo ede omo ha bedo on social media so omo da so here but you will not find them the BSA obi ko ye bibi ni ade I mean PSC enye enne no those times enyuma odi abana me em won kra say I said once nyame mrede
after 20 years
was starting here music and our hits bebre but I say afena some shining a yibia ba afena glory bia ba ni ade enti no obeka say sesi ade ye wo social media dispensation enti ma men ko ka de nkrofo eken bi ma men ko set confusion bi keke ma men ko nipa be bo age so
nti obeka say fia ba na edi enti bi bia na wo
omo first album daughters de bae and na ye boss anyom ne so that power you felt years ago it's still there. Daughters that's who your daughters omo voice and is about to say omo grow by the system and no to say fashion sense ni nyina asesa fashion sense ni nyina asesa videos cha ni nyina asesa even this one they release akone ko hwe video na o maye no na fatoto say saying it until they are taking advantage of the present however
they are living the age
exactly until let's take a cue from it na eja omo so person omo ye ministry full time no omo mfa mu aba kakra na ebeboa wo
mate say sisi I mre na baton ade na ba nti no na me pese yetie old biemani mama hu no na ye de to new one we hu ne ye hwe difference no so that we can appreciate ejuma o maye no but ye beko ton ade aba ai se ne ayetumi afefe yesi e ka say de na onim say ye toothpaste ni toothbrush na ye ejuma nti o pese o tumi bo Sompa delight making sure say o the yas toothpaste any yas toothbrush and na age will say na my say stretch ya homa na say wo ka Sompa delight na ayekroji na pa producer frequency ni ho kra it's the Lexter Company Limited. I say I Mr. Miencha Humbra na ye ba nkomo no ye beto aso ene no nyoma bebre wo ho I say okay wait I release it the whole week no ye beka ho asem ansa na nyoma ya the whole week no eno so ye beka ho asem nti no ye de bibia e ba ye friend no the week in review so when you say Sompa delight de nyoma bebre ye ntwe ye humra
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Yewe diani ni yewe diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eya kesiye. Wedina kesiye. Party ya kesiye. Se mu pe baby. Awo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet en wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e cha nani a. Hajia special local foods. Ewo hacho. Atomic kwano so ho no. Die ntie e friend local foods ne say. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de ye aduane se ehye abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese ehye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese ofra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and as 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so nim se mede yas toothpaste and the brush and the twimesima minya homka sentina ye bokoyi na me me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwum anasa de ehia me selfie fem me biem na won hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di twimese entina wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham oh yes enu krotrodo yas herba yas whitening any yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abuzian chamfa
se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha for Lester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588 Lester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso ababoy
tontonte yanum sane afa adwen ne afa adwen mpa se na num se brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple
T74 abeyedru.
Tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebua nipadua no.
Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho dendenden.
Tonti na 74 yinso yaye ne se nsuo kokoro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ.
Samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74.
Se mennom tonti na 74 menya hodi mennom ne dabia.
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa.
Woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi biato.
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufuo ana se obi a onya mfie bumienu.
Eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Ewo homaye enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni na share radensa. Na erade beye.
Radi no me ni na ye hu ni nyuma ni na kwai. So this is the old one now. Mu release. Daughters release in 1992 no. And now Omaya remix and ne omu release no. Interesting. I just wanted us to juxtapose. Use
side by side.
I just wanted us to juxtapose too, no.
Side by side.
Not you who how I tear not. You lady Joanne say, oh, old one, not tete one, no, soon, near the yes, I say, and only original, no, in Tieja, Ubenya few, be not for front now, but no, so eka cra. Yeah, you bet yes, and you're bad. Just a way we need a dean kakra.
But I like the contemporary one.
Not
because of the beat, not because of the beat, but
I say the time, like timely. It is meeting the era no.
And now, on say mostly no, and you be say no.
Patrick
said, shuffle. It's the na make no. Contemporary one no. Me manage no. Because lady no mo de ne ba so ne kra no. Ono no start you so so bi kra nka nkyere wo say enye onka mo ho you not see it.
You a beautiful blend now.
Blend no a pick it. A fast for pepe. So maybe dear me kwakuti intino.
And I also and so ma omo benya sa youthful following no. We old one no.
And if the new one e kwana sheda nye gidigidi sa o. Like sheda nye gidigidi sa.
Yeah.
O mama eyi ase my friend say
near my for contemporary
3x4 is a dear.
Hey, 3x4 producer no be ka bibi
na me carry I say mama safo konti no enyin chen Augustine enyin chen
producer
enyin chen safo enyin chen safo
afi na be can go for
no me pese ya hwe
o pese o kire
enti enye se me kan asem bia to bia so enti me pese yen hwe from that angle 34 years. Now, utie sa anyumu ya.
Yeah.
34 years ago.
No, we
make say na you need sophisticated
machines being mixing crowd and you might be
are you getting it?
Yeah. No, also omo tie na omo ye omo nyum bebre na wa bruche.
Okay.
But the stake
as at that time cramp no compare to a now.
Oh, of course. Nyuma bebre abekeka ho.
Good. So hwe anyuma 34 years. Na still obese sunsum wom.
Yeah.
Powerful still. And omo ana yen wo mo at that time no mu nim sa like oman say from that time. And na yeto nyum no mutimi to be.
Yeah.
Oh me fall for a point.
Okay.
Now so ene
enchemu
say safu yeto nyum a safu timi to ebetimi ato enyum bi. Esan say enyum no ye enyum a
evergreen.
Exactly.
Enchemu.
And I feel crampo no. They are promoting the longevity of the song with 2026.
Yeah.
They are my ye.
That's right.
Mama Sanswa man another stretch.
That's right. Until no crap is be anymore.
New breed of people are
that
urban.
Be identify with this.
Obi a onim Tetidiano ye no. Do enko nim enko but onim ni ye no. They are going to continue to know the song through this remix and I say Eina Omayeno because they have met the age, the current age. They've met it. I think that it is something that say
laudable.
Yes, honestly. I'm very very proud of them.
Oh my dear. Yeah, you be sent a new one kakra. Na fe ya to aye nyuma so. Adwa de na ye we me ba ma adwa. Ya metie for encore online na omo ko download na omo enjoy. I. You better aye adwa ne so. And then Freestyle Friday, and you know it. You be guidelines negum na wa friend na fe wa ba na bibi a wusia during the week no. Wa ba beka. Auntie Adwa. Me be bisa o question. Auntie Adwa me be bisa o question. And therefore, debi ana me ka no mu ko Facebook, me hu ne ko so studio he ni na I. Enti enra word be na bae. Enra word be na bae. Mon kan enti Auntie Adwa one na wo kan word ne say explaining mama examples ni ade.
So enra word
question no. Come out.
Inertia.
Aye.
Oh, where they make and so there's a popular.
A popular to not the already figure. Aye. But on the can say I see anything yesterday. Then they explain it. Yeah, they explaining movement. Okay. From one sport to the other. Okay. And my examples cross out to car move. Na say car ni bo break pekope na move from back. Ne push you echo anymore. Sir, it has shifted you from the position of your original state to another entity. Sir, in the Timika say inertia of motion. Okay. Okay. That's the best example I can give. And about now mind say car need bouquet na. Car need bouquet now so what together with the car. Exactly. And also inertia. So the thing with inertia they say free mu say ma wo ho so sorry. But a part of your body and now put the whole body need to me a movie. I had to say to me describe the fact say util fa kwa wonye hwe no who say kasi ye use no ordinarily to me ka say util ho na say wumpuso wo ho ne ade
not from your own efforts.
Exactly. I am na effort na feel nti no ni na hia bra ni ha nti mo nan kan de brass wako we chikakra
another example say util ya one say bibia fa na you know what sorry sana enenya inertia
bra
enya no bi
me ko hwe
bibia fa online
based on the explanation say you like movie and ope and I say ubie do a penu say I said the obi twema na biba weni abo bibi so na fe wasa say no so kan
and dem menya sure ebe won bibi foforo so me hu ne a opa kire ne be won bibi foforo we ni ye say wote ho na ye kan wan firi wo pemu e na bibi ekoso ntina ama wa movie nti I say bibi na apia wo
so the force is an external one.
Exactly.
Okay.
And we say one kasa because who save you hunting no react
and I say ehu kra to me ma yes say it here na me feel say bibia fa me nan ho na ebia
exactly
I'm sorry it has another word
reflex. And no more of reflex action than inertia. I think so. More of reflex
inertia anyway. Another example here the enra me de mai no nsuo ye a floody
yeah
obi gina ho ena nsuo ne beto na nsuo no epia ne ekọ so it's like nsuo no direction ena di nipa no so call the same direction and not
this is clarified as I'm raise we anka unya that clarification so don't say mama
and not the mayo bra. Anyway, into the time now you do so you go through the week no briefly and then we will let listeners to come in no Mumbeka near opesa obi kra one said cry open because and then a freestyle Friday into Auntie Adwa wouldn't hear tonight
answer no
me too I
say dey bia me will be am pese dey bia u feel free
me feel free patcho you
me se me nam me copy adi bi so na pese me catch it if
any a few free
and na sisi ya but me dey na esre san ye bufu
oh sir
me na mama copy ujaf eda form kwam ka se kronfo bi kra ya bro no ti me gina me hwa na ko focus na wa ba ne de na ye no ne ade sana obre
come in no
mami bi ka say owo a friend saying on go ni hwi wo na owo am body ne kontomre bi wo anka onua no ofentwi onya ni tenten fan brand sisi a se opengo fan gungu sunawe afi akwane da house a mamni ka se mo body mi ko twi o se ene pe ana ze ha
Odi pe kwa ka body ene ko tumre no
o bra ye no o da house
ye ba be beli wa o choice
ene pe de yo ye ni eti ni ene pe is akwane no matter so
na se koma
anyway
yeah free stuff
yeah so
but the thing you are saying is it happens it is na no ya me ko fie ye gina ye na sia enti the police ambulance for no munyina wo program na say in case of emergency bia ye ohwa ne etisi sia guaguago ni ya tamo obi ya kukuru obi say na hwan no hwan den na komi kro de na me ka say bia etuo ni bi na ato abo ehun so mako mayi my friend is stretcher
okay
ewo ambulance no mo dey aba outside mo yes eno ma peja nipa no atoso omo peja nipa no to so a ma mefo no mo tie akire ho na omo no mo nya hu nipa kora ye peja
eno mo boni
ye peja na so mreke mra
omo today
mrek omo na mo
I'm say obi e pursue e come na de no
it's just I dey uncomfortable
e come na de no ampampa o de ne kwato o pe yi o so de mo pe eyi se milk o se de mo pe fanfra malt bi na mo fa man no 30 minutes time o be your okay what is I dey
oh yeah noted for that only who kind of makai lady Sandy wo Balloon Gate side ho oye nails Sandy wo na o ka share me one time he say owo school no oye bibisa wo kenya na magini atoso o say na come din just the new master onim ni obeye na no so flex girl on kodan ni ne ade like omo a chef na and at one time there so omo wo hall omo me say hall here university right omo house no mu ye assembly ni ade and no fake collapse because na come dinu beyond the you o fake nti na omo na ye mo hihye omo ni ade and na the interesting thing is o fake ye no na ne na fufuo bi nim because oni omo bo ho nkomo se ne na ne ho a kire no ono ne no mo se mo
na ho ne bo ma ne
maybe I know be maybe
ain't no omo in the presence of omo house mistress se ne be ya ono no wo home cho so ono de owo ne fie onu ane de ane ain't na de ne eto ehye ne so sa na wo so ye no ehwa na chete ofa na omo mantam ne de call house mistress ne ho and then the house mistress so oye 90 no ohun what to do ye hohoro ni hurun ni omunya no na fe omumma na aduane na we na say na adwuma wo hokora na wo so omuye afterwards enti no time as Sandra ye ne nyoma nyina na say or by time adwuma time ni nyina oyi ne hu afim tie ho na nadaf ba ko ehye no obesra no ka che ne say we ya meka de awaye all because wa wenye aduane na di we so adwuma no chegu ho ama ye be chegu ye so ana nti Sandra o she Balloon Gate o oye ne o so
ko kan sama to no
ene no anko ne be ko ankasa onka untumi so nka loyalty nti untumi nka nti eja omo de hihye omo ho
ne ho akodim like wakodo mewi ontimi yin ne ho film
it's a kosopa sometimes I mean if you are overly hungry now hu ni obeya I said that no be now me kwemu ho baby na man bi da me to ade na omo ya omo tai bin ben ka no mebusa say o mesro je mi say na he o ben ho a me tomade o dane o madam to mi mam na me fa nkodi mi pai na mi hu ni da me ne lady Joanna na enam o se to bi ma me fa nkodi mi pai ra ti sa sam ni ye me sere ya ma te wa na na bi sika na de man wi a no da ne no me ko tomot na me de di pai no
ni mo atoso
just our choice
ni mo atoso
asa bodo mi no ga se James ka ko to sari ntete
o man be 20,000 ko to sari o man 20,000 ko to sari
abusi afo Ye guidelines ningo man. Now only this week na meeting etiquette NTA Tuesday no. Obe huni e course so no until at least a meeting etiquette so and some of the things are kind no where that so we ko meeting be a contem net to me ko settle na pray wo like what could do afa na we busa say oh say now be disrupt meeting ni ade nti yero ho na contem. I don't know if you recall some of the things she said ma me
with that no and bibia very practical in the sense that say uko meeting be uko baby na one contem one contem one kasa no ultimately why disorganized number one contem now what quite discussing with the next 15 to 20 minutes you get lost
now I lost cry
it's what I do discomfort now creating contem eboa wan kasa and I know what I say my empeja ya dream say meeting a corporate so school I say sorry quite baby obekobia there is
nipa kakrebi ehia
nipa mienu meeting nti I think that you see sir in church we one for adwan ko baby say ebebo we ni be ba won so na
adena to say ndi na ja ye boa tiefo na ato na wo hu but wunya sa suehunu na ebedu ho no be ka say nti say nti no my example say ejom my women association traders association and now pay beka so wo de intosufoi wo na oyo hema and say we organizer say here say wakosuku akosua bibi nkwa na obenya posto I mean that's not the construction I'm supposed to give just say enye suku a wakonkwa na wo say would hu ade we yo debi but any gathering ube betumi afa wa ye meko panyin na wo bo degree bia enso so no because ye hu se na wo kra wo nti o mu feel say ubetumi adi ni panim nti such you know wo hu a ye boa wo nti no Tuesday ye beto aso
I think that subsequent days you know obe get deeper even oko meeting na the way so tsena ase or meeting ase
okay put atare aya hwewata ade okay no so and as wo beba so a day before no prepare atare ne to ho men ko fa na pana na kitikiti o debi and atare na prayer so ka se wo ko do ntempo na bia watare e touch man na bibia utumi ye hu
bibi get it repaired
ma men ka sembi na me wo program bi ma fama tade na so nim sa Abena Ruthy me yire me kakra na makodu ho na me du ho na me te ho na endu me so me hwe ya baby na bai can you imagine and you say baby bojo sebi I mean I'm not saying I have so much but it was something and not me feel say and say baby sa but atome and because I was there early because me do hunt him nintino me to me enya bibi so ano ansa na edu me so na mako stage so these are some of the things say who ko baby na wan you wan contem na ka so Ghana man time inti 3:34 4:35 5:36
o ka crowd me ko break it down
na feature say bibi
ya say to accident you were kind
discombobulated
May you
now make a couple
it
is important
sir we are working now we can go higher in the sense that sometimes especially where all convenience maybe I'll get our bag kesi bi kakra ebi a woka nyame adom woka uyusu nkakra ka same small boy am using kakra say ebi a woko baby sa anka I advisable say we fa atare tu
obepe bibi
okay advisable say obefa atare tu ana say babo atu ni ade na ukoto nsotwe bu sa mfa say baby akwa buy do we do on them but unya baby ampam esan so the atare tu e call anything meeting impo start here you can just reorganize yourself again.
That's right.
Until the emphasis is on or the focus is on in term na
do hontem na wunye late
uti me do hontem we do hontem no na ebia wenya wataya na mpabo bia yesa uti me fe chiro baby kotobi that is when ska obi okra po odu on tema ma to the extent that opese ohomia but no you share sa akwanhye obetimi mpo asa akofie
yeah exactly exactly it's in order
yes meeting there in term
hey now talking about mpabwa wudi mpabwa gu ho acha na wunim no akofa na de akobabi eh emane de to ye dawo
na ya pon program no
ansana
and na the car ne koy
of a Patrick
I just had to limp from program no just to the car
I saw you gaga
to the car na nya sa pa dia
na what do you say the interesting thing about that situation is say ba ku why the other ones be why no have you seen it before
na some na we say chana
so see ya campo na ebia mpabwa na ye tumu a de fa nan ho na ebia nim no etu a at least wotimi nante ne kakra e kope baby anase basa wo she bia slipper hill bibia mfa ho na hwe mfa ho na ida se ko ni motu anase yina wai
exercise by force udo na be go for nante by force
one I don't know time na so nka me say atiefo ni mramu ntem because but ye call say last year greater works
okay
obi a ye say eyi sneaker sneaker ma wo huru hu agu aje se mpabwa na me say ya che
yo
ene ye call ye me kra show mpabwa na man shem fifi o
teacher why am put pressure on it
ne dosun
okay
enti distress ne dosun enti ye kwotena hwa akabaye 10 minutes ama adru ye district no so no na me share mpaboa no
okay
because we had to go through the back door
okay
and san ye ra auditorium
inside, okay
sister obegie di say ye gina queue ni mo wo gate na no na me wo sa me na me na
no say me sa na si no is interesting oh
Jerry no be a show me say eh ye
quiet do
na me say me rehearsal bebe ya makoyi men sign ena me twi ade ne wo fom si ya ene de ko gina ho woni me say ye gina stage no so na ade ne wife free me night totally
utu na ya charge utu na ya na besi form
me tu me na me nice form enti ye we program na ye we immunization na ye ko na na me
So let's advise a TF4. This is it. Say wo mpabwa na wo de gu hwa na wo mfa wo nsan kan na opese wo use amesrew before day na opese wo use no kofa na pamasie na pamo wo de say wo feel say wo gile da ne dia na wo gif whatever material ni dipa me pa cho bomode na pam because so long as
yes afa extra
adawa che no yes afa extra adawa che no fine. Open so but pharmacy ni sa 0260 19 6064 my mobile number ni metie for not 0260 1960 65 Mr. Obet me aba na freestyle Friday na bra you say utoli na wo of a Jeremy ba utoli na wo ni awusia during the week or words no if I ostracize or worse ni ade bibi biara o pesa o ne ye che no is open into no obet me after 0260 1960 64 na 0260 1960 65 emre ya odia ofa Jerry to aso
chese makosi staff baako insu oto
okay
ko eneja tejina gate ni se be bi se me hwese wakoyin sani kita akwara so oh nti
ofa Jerry me fa free mpacho hello
Auntie Abraham Pacho, good afternoon.
Hey, just one day, good afternoon. Yamo akwa baba Sompa delight so.
Yeah, tell me so.
Adum.
Oh, nakupo onko twa echiramu na oma program nenko twa yetesi.
Amen.
Oh, sure. Many aji pa se nakupo kali abewe ya pa program ne ye pa na day.
Amen.
So insha tu se na freestyle nti. Last week I was one phone only bad I can new month as in new month I was open baby
sa
me every day their work in the use back it is me use
sa pepe
but I was very skeptical of the mathematic in the beginning of your program of your show.
As a man, senior, Papa. Yes, and the Sankabium.
They say I was very skeptical of the mathematic in the beginning of your show.
Proselymatic, not a person you saw.
Okay. In a different way.
Yeah. Proselymatic. Okay.
In the beginning of the show.
Okay.
Matthias.
Okay. So this is it. You were trying to juxtapose what we did today.
Yes.
With the proselymatic role we did over the week.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because me say Sompa has been the emblematic in my life.
Okay.
Like a symbol of something in my life.
That's right. Sompa has been emblematic in my life.
So it has been emblematic.
That's right. Correct.
And I was very fastidious when I was sending my son to school.
Yeah.
In the car, I experienced inertia. When I was sending my son to school.
I'm sure it was when you pulled the brakes. Nice.
Me go to YouTube.
That's one do you mutadi you car.
The small boy.
Okay.
I not going no. Okay, you saw me cardboard umbla.
Okay.
And I'm more kotoe. The remaining cardboard neck a car no. And I will check a crown and watch your. That no perform me diary be. And I watch your the word discomfortlate. Okay. If you want to know baby tackle, any time say, Daddy, which word is this? I think I'm confused. And I'm saying, do you write it from my diary? I say yes. And I'm saying, which word is this? And I'm saying, I'm even confused. I said, Daddy, which are?
Wow.
You are confused.
It's true. So you were not even aware of it, but now what my meaning? No, yeah, that's it. Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm not even aware.
Oh, yes, smart boy.
I'm even confused. Wow. Daddy, which are? Why are they?
Nice. Amen.
How you customer service program now more introduced a go long way in our life.
Amen.
And all my more dreams and a day program no to be near to Atomako.
Amen.
But they tell me catch me do they do there. Do they do? Me papa do they do? Do they do has been ostracized from the Sompa Delight Show. The punishment.
Oh. Bakacha said do they do no on a class of his own in Timunjai no. Now the class prefect. Wow, ostracized no.
Where did it ostracized?
Ostracized.
Like punishment. Yes, punishing.
Banish. Yes. Amen. No shout. Ane. Hey, do that. Let me see. Do that. Try. I'm not do that. Do crap.
That's one day. Who's too much time? Obeyen car. Because we benefit pa.
Who's that?
Actually, we tell you.
Just one day. Our balance is so making sure say what can't near we see bibia. Come on. Make sure you know say or tie na or you see so. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, our boss. Good afternoon. Pache Mawakwaba.
Evangelist, you when I'm here.
Hey, evangelist, yete won kache. Evangelist, mete won kache. Pache na ebusia fo hon te say.
Oh, I don't give up.
Ne dera dia se. Mawakwaba. Aish. See, I went. Who the hell?
They have the jingle already.
Sa.
They have the jingle.
No. Aish.
That day, no, a Quasolena, this preaching, make Casapa or some papa.
Okay.
Or some funny, or some funny, then I'm a teen mono. We allow it.
Oh, new say, Effie, baby.
And doing the Yapana, and the Lagos, then they'll call some baby, or some papa, if you have a tag, I'm saying, no,
no.
I wouldn't give you a daughters of God, Jesus. But that is a funny day. From Bibiana, where you didn't know. It's a funny Bibiana, which media after a jump to our limb, or my walk face, or my custom, or my didium. Bibia at the funny Biana when they be young. And I'm a know. Yeah, boss, your Bob says 37 is a teaching Krumoa. The one at the Krumoa, I've been young call and car joint. After your school gets you know, push your man as a punk, and you may now. Your Columba man can't have no. Furniture Roswell County need 2 minutes to them, and maybe the home.
Oh, who's that?
Maybe no.
I ding, Mensa. Wow.
And I could have met the Abonja, or anything, I'm going to do me a couple of annual. That's a funny job. It's a funny piano. That was a media. Yamyaman is now preaching.
That's right.
And a person may more comfort anonymous. What do we have a boy?
Wow.
Maybe I'm not daughters, maybe I'm not union, and because you sit in the comes on a boss. Oh, Eddie, and I'm the point about the 80 and mother phone, over 9 and I'm a boy, and I'm out for them. We do become one of both animals. And I'm out. Oh, Eddie, it's a phone million, because I'm out for comfort and no.
Yeah.
When they say, daughters of villages and the father grab, and the new man, no man, sir.
Yeah.
That's
right. That's right. Interesting. Hello.
Hello, I'm just one day.
Just one day. What's up?
I'm Mr. Me can be a second. Me try to copy.
Ice. Yo, Master.
Last week, you know, we appreciation Wednesday program last week, you know. Me ma book me yeda me papa biasi.
Me papa
Uncle Ray.
And
no, my teacher was.
Me
now me friend no. Me friend and sana phone call no.
Okay.
So one kata say and the also to in the addiction no. Of friend me. Eta ma say in fact waba pension or retire of ma say the why no the me ma radio to amano no in fact amount why na Timkofua almost saying car, almost Sompa FM, almost saying Uncle Reno.
Okay.
I must say Uncle near Banasuma, almost friend.
Wow.
Almost friend. True service excellence within a program.
That's right.
That's yeah appreciate you be a yembo modern na yen say we woni pani na ma na yen friend because not say that day no go na me won fa no but from there no akra the binta o ti wo radio to me here no for ama ya Kenya me ho a ya wenya awon den enti me kan adama say mo dey that program na but then there ya share apopon to incline apopon inshiramu
amen on shall so be hello. Good afternoon. Elder, I am a Baba Sompa delight.
What am I going to say?
O pese o ka Sompa delight ni bi ampa chobe simi aka nyesa o de yenko.
The cinema mabaso.
Yeah, that's Elder.
Na ni o kasa o say.
Ni o kasa asisi just one day.
One day no wakati no why o kasa do. One day no wakati.
Amen. Amen.
New program no. No dina me frɛ mo nyame hyira mo ba.
One day kati me kasa wa. But just one day what Elder that's it. Okay. And just one day they say I no why no class prefect nti say matter ma do ama no wa come do nyina abom nti say an ye be nti an obi so because I anko fu gina echire and nti me sure say what ase anyway nti it's been a great day. It's been a great day and a great week, that's true. And a great week. I mean, yes, Monday, Nasi Sana, Natchez, oh, share him say, week never call ye. Nanyami and so, Nabibia, Kotote, Amaye, or Kodo. Nasa wouldn't him say, Nanyumbre, a bomb pie. Giddy, into Sompa all night service, a basso, yeah. Okay, make a one sentence here. Hello.
Hey, baby.
Hey, do that, do Papa.
Hey, baby.
How are you, Papa?
How are you, baby?
Hey, I'm good, Papa.
All right. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon. Good
these
to
days,
hear from you.
Just briefly, these days we don't waste the time. And then I come on the line just 1 minute, and I thought you should cut it off. Thank you. Back to studio.
Do that, do. Oh, Chesa, no, Opemu, to a candidate. Do that, do we hear you? And I'm sure just one day has heard. I mean, it's a joy to have you all. The last time I was discussing with producer, say, well, say, share a College Network crowd. So that we can interchange, contacts, check what we do. I mean, any who failed that someone anyway, we'll clarify that and then see what we'll do about it. That make us say all night service into Sompa. Yeah, monthly all night. No, ne basupa theme ne say, let's exalt his name together. Psalm 32 verse 3. Time near 34. Hey, sorry, Psalm 34. Me 34 na me can 32. Me. Psalm 34 verse 3. Na time near 11 p.m. prompt. Yeah, was Sompa heya in Sompa Domi Watermelon Street. Enti uye be our pen pie boa Miss Robra. Na ba be hu ye nyina ye so ye nsem ya bompaye aderade ase say wa ma bosome foforo atwe yen na wasan aso ye mu de etwa bosome no Sompa de eja eno ane sunsum enti adam ase samaje bre na mwatie ye enne e was Sompa delight. So we not person can customer service the end kakra say me time na sasa because week nim no ye pa hontoma I start into ye share nim say Wednesday no ye be dom suko ne ye hu se ne ye customers be din kita ho ne ade nti producer one ma me na wase why ni nyina
why everything
now, the whole week, the entire week, everything has gone on so well. And the day radiasi, nothing. Yeah, now I see so she bibia kama. Mamena auntie Joasi, svelte lady, and Neno, or the where to go, every Sabokai, or Sunday, or him away, or National Theatre, 3:30. And I necessarily online release by Mami Justine 6 p.m. Ntuba Mami Justine Mami Justine wo YouTuber ubenya ni release no na heticodges de ne so your chna e wo eno so YouTube na benya because oye wo US ni ade nti a lot of things nti make us ada Lady Joanne ase or the to internet so then I make an honest and guess no more interchange sent na just say oh mama discombobulated
confused
I confuse. And me that Lady Joanna say, me that Saint Augustine I say, me who say of a Patrick betray me that I say obedi konkonsa. On any safo.
So boy.
And arrangement wise or enjoy the marriage. Uncle, our labor. Last week by this time, Nasha said, why, she did easy. But Bibia Kototi, yeah, there are there say, I, someone you know when him say, dear me, just saw ne Abena Ruthy. I, Nana o'clock near Sompa, delight o'clock. Now, yes, sorry, sweet dear, not Sompa for God and country. Ena eba na Professor Abuchi wa ye krado nti mo nyina ye ntwen no. Enjoy a fruitful weekend. Nyame adoma Monday ye besenhia. Ye damose.